look at this. What am I doing this for, everyone? It is because it glues all the dust together, because you cannot stick tiles to dust. Look at that. Look at that. God, you know, it doesn't take much, people. It does not take much at all. It's all for your waterproof to stick and your glue to stick. And people don't do it. It's a no-brainer. No-brainer. Like it doesn't even cost bugger all. Why don't more people do it? I do not know. I do not know. You know, they go on about back buttering and all that bullshit, and they're sticking to dust. Oh, pull your tummy in, Chriso, when you walk past a mirror. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll oh, there he is again. Tomorrow I'll screed this floor and we're laughing. Then it's got time to dry. I go and screed another floor Monday. Waterproof another one Tuesday. Yeah. I've got 3 going at the moment because it's taking a little bit longer for my mud to dry before I waterproof, but it's all good, you know. You don't sit at home twiddling your thumbs, twiddle diddle diddle, no. But I am grateful that you know, my hard work is paid off. I've been doing this for a long time. People on the Gold Coast know that. I've been around for a long time, and I'm lucky that I can choose my jobs. When I was younger, I had to do everything that, you know, that came along. I priced everything and tried to get it, and that sort of thing. The one today's Thursday. Yeah, the one I start on Monday. He said, "Chris, you're the dearest, but I want you to do it." I said, "Oh, cool, thanks." Thanks for that. So yeah, that's sort of how it is. I'm not majorly expensive. Not for what you get. Get a cowboy and he doesn't prime the walls for a start. He daubs his glue, trying to save money on glue, and they all fall off after a while. But there is no need to daub your tiles anymore, people. You know, the prices are better than what they used to be. That's it, people, and hopefully the rain has stopped outside as well. I've got to paint a little bit of termite stuff. I'll actually do that now. How simple and easy is that? I'll come back with my polyurethane when I waterproof this. What day will I be waterproofing this? Wednesday, or no, probably Thursday, Friday next week, because I'll give this sort of 6 or 7 days to dry. But I use really good mud, so it doesn't take that long to go off. Okay, see you soon. Stay tuned. See this? It's for subscribing. You push the button with that finger. See? Whooshka. See ya.